Introducing the Frida Baby Control, the Flow Rinser, a versatile bath time essential for your little ones. With multiple pouring options, this rinser offers a gentle rain shower for newborns and a refreshing waterfall for toddlers. Boasting a generous 24-ounce capacity, this bath cup allows for extensive water storage for convenient and prolonged rinsing during bath time. Equipped with a dual grip design, caregivers can easily handle this rinser with both a handle and an ergonomic grip. Pair this bath rinser with the Frida Baby 4-in-1 Grow With Me Baby Bathtub for a complete bath time solution for newborns, infants, and toddlers. The Frida Baby Control. The Flow Rinser provides multiple ways to rinse, ensuring the protection of your little one's eyes and ears. Make bath time enjoyable with the versatile pouring options of this rinser, catering to the specific needs of different age groups.
Experience ease of use and comfort with the dual grip design of this toddler and baby bath cup, a must-have for caregivers.